In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to join a Discord server. So to join a Discord server, you just need to either you have the tag. First of all, you click on the plus. It would say create your own server, but you're trying to join, so just join a server. Then you need the link. That means the person that is inviting you to the server must have given you the invitation link. If that is join with invite link, or if you are a student and they didn't give you the invitation link, and but you know the name of the school or study group or anything, just join a student hub. Just put the name of the school, and that's it. Name of the school, and then the educational, the email address, official school, the official school, or the uni email address. Hope you found the video helpful.